What's poppin', guys? I hope you all having a good time. Still got 40 loss running on gold. Man, we catch that best entry this year. It's my second trading week. This was the best entry this year. Like, we entered on the bottom, right on that bottom, before it twisted like crazy, guys. I can show you the 1 hour chart. Look, like this is the 1 hour chart. And I called this trade in the inner circle analysis and signals channel. So if you have missed that move, that entry opportunity, then you're probably not in the inner circle yet. Why I took this trade? Look, we had some pretty serious bounces over here on that level. And then we had another bounce on that level over here. Let me I'll try to mark this one, like, whatever, you see the bounce over here, okay? So I expected that this zone over here will be a spot where we can expect a reversal, all right? So I expected a reversal inside of this zone or somewhere below this zone. This is what I expected. And then I was going down to the 1 minute time frame. And on the 1 minute time frame, it looks a little bit messy, a little bit sloppy because some news were going on over here. I saw that the market wants to move higher. I was checking my mobile phone because my MT4 on the PC was not that accurate. So I checked it on the phone and I saw that we are about to build like a double bottom, something like that. And yeah, I saw some bullish pressure on the 1 minute chart. I was like, okay, let's risk like 0.2%. It was nothing because I didn't want to fuck up my daily result because I was already up around 200 grand. So I decided to risk it like 15,000 or something like that, 15,000. And yeah, I actually catch the best possible entry when it snapped back, and it was not on purpose, you know. It was a lucky entry, but at the end the risk was super low. And I could bank like 50k like instantly because the markets slapped 100 pips in my face like instantly. It was crazy. And then after that I moved the stop to the break-even point. So now I'm running risk-free. I already closed another 10 lot just before I started that video. So I'm up around 270 grand for the day. Yesterday I lost 170. Now I'm up 270. And on Monday I lost around 40,000, something like that. So I'm overall in with a small profit for this week. It's Wednesday. Let's see how much more we can squeeze gold. I'm sure I'm gonna bank at least 40 grand on that one. So I will finish the day with at least 310 grand. Which is beautiful. That's around 5%. That's a gain of around 5%. And as you see, it just keeps on moving. And I think I'm going to take some more risk off the table around in this area, but I would like to try to let it run. Maybe it will just blast through all these highs here. We don't know. Let's see what's going to happen next. But this gold trade was just beautiful, made a lot of fun. I called it out, as I said, in the analysis channel for the inner circle members. And I also shared this trade when it was about to go down in the free channel on Telegram. And if you are not inside there yet, make sure to click the link in the bio to join the free chat and check out the Genius Trading Masterclass course. In chapter 11, I'm talking about exactly moves like that, how you can get some sniper entries, how you can read the market maker manipulation, how you can bank off of that. This is what I did, you know. This is what I did. I checked out the reversal zone, and then I was just pulling the trigger. Small risk on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute time frame is crazy. If you can get a really nice entry on the 1 minute chart, you can play big lot sizes with small risk. And if you catch a really nice entry like this one, you're gonna make like 10 times, 20 times, 30 times your risk. And this is beautiful. This is just beautiful. So yeah, that's it for today. This was gold, and yeah, see you in the next video, guys. Have a great day. Peace out. Every now and then, why you falling in love?